This video tutorial will cover how to add pictures to your inspection reports on a PC. Adding pictures to your reports is very simple, and you do so by using a simple drag and drop method. The way it works is you will set it up so that you have the Palmtech program open side by side with the folder that has your inspection photos in it. To do this, we're first going to resize the Palmtech program so it's not taking up the full screen. Next, we're going to open up the window in the folder that has our pictures in it, which we have here. And we now have them side by side. To add a picture in, all we have to do is simply locate the picture we want, click on it, and then hold it in and drag and drop the picture to the line we want to add it to, and you simply let go. And as you can see, we've now added a picture into our walks line. You are able to highlight more than one picture at a time and then drag and drop multiple pictures to a single line at once. Let's go ahead and resize the Palmtech screen, and now we'll take a look at how you can add decorations to your pictures. And to do this, we need to be on the Edit Image window, which we can get to by simply clicking on the picture. The Edit Image screen gives you several different options for editing your picture. The first option in the top right corner is the image size. Here, you can make the picture larger or smaller. Below the image size is a button for Make Sizes Default. If you click this button, then the image height and width you have selected for this particular picture will become the default image size for all new pictures that get added into this report, as well as reports in the future. Following that is Lock Aspect Ratio, which makes it so that as you adjust the height or the width of a picture, the other will automatically change proportionately. After that, we have the option to change the resolution that images get added in at. Next, we have decorations. There are three types of decorations to choose from: arrows, ellipses, and zoom boxes. And let's say we want to add a couple of these decorations to the picture. First, we're going to draw in an arrow. So for this, we'll make sure arrow is selected from our drop-down list. And to draw an arrow, all you have to do is click on your picture, hold in your mouse, and simply move your cursor to where you want the arrow to end. We've now added in one arrow. Let's go ahead and add in two more. As you can see, we've added three arrows, and you can actually add in as many arrows and decorations as you want. The second type of decoration is an ellipse. The ellipse works the same way as an arrow. So let's go ahead and change the type to ellipse and draw one on the picture. And finally, we can draw a zoom box. To draw a zoom box, we'll change the type to zoom. And below type, you'll notice we have a box here for color. If we click on this, we have 8 different colors to choose from, and this just controls the color of the decoration we add in. So let's say we actually want to draw a blue zoom box, so we'll select blue. Drawing a zoom works the same way, and we simply draw it by dragging and moving the mouse. And as you can see, it actually zooms in on an area in the picture. And that's a look at decorations. If you make a mistake as you're adding one in, you can actually click on Undo Last, and it will remove the last decoration you added to the picture. If you want to start over, you can click on Undo All, and it will remove all decorations from this picture. Moving on, below decorations, we have a spot for text. This is where you can actually add text to a picture. And to do this, all we have to do is simply type in the note we want. So let's go ahead and type in sidewalk cracked. And as you can see, it adds it to the picture. Now below the text, we have the option to change where the text shows up as well as the size of the text. Let's say we didn't want it to be in the bottom right. We can click on this and we can move it to somewhere else. After looking at a couple options, I think the bottom right may be our best bet, so we'll leave it there. And then for the text size, you can make it small, medium, or large. And as you change it, it simply updates on the picture. You can add more than one piece of text to a picture, and to do so, you would simply click Start Another Text. And you can type a new one in. The last options on the Edit Image screen are the 2 red arrows pointing downwards below the picture. These are used to rotate your picture. Once you've finished making all the changes to your picture, we can click on OK and move on to the rest of our report. This concludes the tutorial on adding pictures to your reports on a PC.